Welcome to Apes and Capes. Today I'm going to be installing Python 3 via Anaconda. So what is Anaconda? It's a software package that the creators call the Data Science Platform for All. It allows a user to easily manage packages, environments, and have convenient access to Python, R, and MRO, which is Microsoft R Open, as well as over 7,500 open source packages. It's very powerful for data science as well as machine learning using PyTorch, or just as a convenient environment manager for Python. Okay, let's install it. So to install Anaconda, you go to the website, you click Get Started, download Anaconda installers. I'll be installing Anaconda with Python 3.8 for Ubuntu 20.04, so I'll be using this one here. So as you can see here, to use the GUI packages with Linux, you'll need to install the following extended dependencies for Qt. The specific packages depend on the Linux distribution that you're using. I'm using Ubuntu, so I'll install these. Okay, it appears they're already installed, so I'm good to go. Alright, to continue with the installation, run the bash installation script we just downloaded. I'm just going to use the default settings. Okay, so I ran Anaconda Navigator after installation, and it wasn't available yet, so I ran source bashrc, and as you can see, this has been prepended to the username. This is the name of the current Anaconda environment that's active. If we want to run the GUI, okay, so here's Anaconda Navigator. On the left, we've got 4 tabs: Home, Environments, Learning, and Community. Home shows you which applications you have installed and which ones you can install as well to work with. Okay, so let's work with environments. Let's say we want to create a new environment for machine learning. Let's click on Create, name it ML. Python is already set to 3.8. So after you've created a new environment, there are a number of ways you can use that environment. First off, in the GUI, you can click the play icon and open it in Terminal, open it with Python, IPython, or with Jupyter Notebook. What you can also do is open up Terminal and then type source activate and then the name of the environment, and that'll switch you into the new environment. At this point, we're going to have to install Jupyter Notebook because it hasn't been installed automatically, and PyTorch. On the right here, we have a list of installed packages. If you want to find uninstalled, you can either go to not installed or all. If the package you're looking for isn't found in this list, update the index. Okay, so now let's search for Jupyter. Okay, there it is. Click it and select apply and install. Okay, now you can see that Jupyter Notebook has been activated. Now let's install PyTorch. Select it, select apply. So now you can see that PyTorch has not been installed on Base, but it has been installed on ML. We can further verify this by opening up Jupyter Notebook in Base and trying to import it. Module not found. And if you open it up in the ML environments, alright, there it is. So in this video, I walked you through installing Anaconda on Ubuntu and setting up environments with Anaconda Navigator. I hope this video was helpful. Have a good one.